Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be taking you through the Spectrocoin website. Open a free blockchain wallet. Cryptocurrency exchange, Spectrocoin card, blockchain wallet and payment processing. Cryptocurrency exchange. Instant exchange. Use your funds immediately. There are over 150 countries, 30 plus currencies supported, including Bitcoin, Ether, Dash and XEM. 20 plus deposit and withdraw, including credit or debit cards, bank transfers and cash. You can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. These logos support the Spectrocoin website. GiroPay, Ideal, Bank Contact, Mr. Cash, AKPay, Perfect Money, and Payer. Spectrocoin prepaid card. Use it. 300 million ATMs and 25 plus million shops worldwide. Use your card anywhere and anytime. High deposit and withdrawal limits. Get it now. Spectrocoin blockchain wallet. Manage your Bitcoin, Ethereum, NIM, and Dash anytime, anywhere. Easy, secure, and instant cryptocurrency exchange on mobile phones or web browsers. You can get it on the App Store, Google Play, or the Windows Store. Accept Bitcoin, NIM, or Dash online and at physical stores. Avoid cryptocurrency price volatility. Receive USD or your local currency to your bank account. Integrate easily through API or e-commerce plugins. Get a free blockchain wallet. You can enter your email right here to sign up. So that's it for today. Go to the Weird Coins website to find more information.